How to cancel your Expedia booking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Expedia flight if the flight is eligible for cancellation. Before you cancel, you have to understand that the US Department of Transportation allows for all customers who have booked flights going to or from the US to receive a full refund on their flight if they cancel it within the 24 hours of booking, provided the ticket was purchased at least 7 days ahead of the scheduled departure. Now, Expedia honors this rule, allowing the customers to cancel reservations directly on its US website. Customers who want to cancel after 24 hours can also do so, though the fees may apply depending upon the airline. Now, there are a few exceptions. You cannot cancel a flight online through Expedia if you're booked with a low-cost carrier like Spirit or Frontier. In these cases, you'll have to call the airline directly. Expedia can also be reached by phone toll-free at 1-866-316-0357. I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description box as well. Or you can go to +1 404 728 8787 for customers who are already abroad. Now, you can also actually contact the Expedia via the service link. Now, how to cancel an Expedia flight online? Now, the steps to canceling an Expedia flight online are the same regardless of when you booked. Now, what you have to do is to begin the cancellation, just go to expedia.com/trips. I'll make sure to leave the link directly in the description box and click on the itinerary that you want to modify. Then click on the option that says Manage Reservations, as you can see over here. Once you tap on the Manage Reservations page, you have to select the option called Cancel Flight, which is at the bottom right. If you're eligible for the free 24-hour cancellation, it will be written underneath the Cancel Flight link. Now, you'll be taken to the Cancel Your Flight page where you'll again be prompted to confirm cancellation. If you're eligible for a refund because of the 24-hour rule, the amount that will be returned to your account will also be displayed. And that's all it takes to cancel your Expedia booking. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.